So we're all dressed up for Art Deco. We're in little sailors outfits. They're different, but like it's fine.
like they're the same.
We're going into town now, so we're going to meet up with some friends.
We're in the costume shop for an hour, so that's cool.
So that's ideal. All plaits, kind of cute. Yeah, I just decided I'm gonna make a video for Art Deco weekend. Just now. So yeah, I'll vlog when we get to go see our friends.
Yeah.
And then just like throughout the night.
I don't even know who we're going to see.
I don't want to see anyone I know in like a car like driving past. I'm like, hi. We probably just look like tourists, so it's fine. Okay, so I get really like anxious, but then everybody else is dressed up. Like now that we're in town, everybody else is dressed up, so it makes me feel better about myself. It's been a minute. Okay, nobody cares. Bye. Bye. What'd you say?
You're my favourite YouTuber.
Thanks, Will.
Is that good for the video?
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Wow, you know.
And click the bell notification icon. Oh. And follow Will Black Dog on Instagram and my YouTube channel.
Follow me on Instagram.
Do you want to meet it again? Because you're not done. It's a dance.
Handmade Caitlin Wilson. No, what is it? I forgot. Caitlin Wilson with an X. With an X over the N. And then Instagram. Subscribe and like and comment. Turn on post notifications. You already know.
Don't spam the comments with
What is this? Is this how you do it?
Because she's like really good.
I know.
She's
gonna become famous from this.
Going up, Pooch 19.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
I'm scared. Why? Just say hi. Oh my god. So cute. Today we're making chicken nuggets and bacon. That's so random. Do you want like a salad or like anything like that? No. Okay, so I'll show you what we're dealing with. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we've got some bacon cooking, some bacon cooked, some chicken nuggets. Shayla's in charge of the chicken nuggets. Yeah, we'll let you know how it goes. So obviously I didn't show you how it went. They were good. It was good. Very bad for us, clearly, as we all know, but that's okay. It's fine. But pretty much that's the end of this week's video. It's literally not even 3 minutes long, so you probably will like it since it's shorter, so you don't have to hear my voice for as long. But yeah, that's the end of this week's video. I will see you guys on Saturday with my swimming sports vlog. Bye guys. Let me breathe your air, baby.